Good morning, Mumbai. 100 points if you guess what movie this is from.
Yes, we are going to be somewhere very soon. Let you know where are we going. It's going to be our first trip together, so we are very excited.
Technically, second trip together. Because guess what?
Yeah.
Poonam flew to my hometown and we met for the first time. Guys, you just had to see us. You just had to see us. So the first meetup, I told her to like come by this place, and it's an open space. It's a ghat. So she was sitting there, and I was like, Poonam, you do realize now that I've never seen you in real life. How am I gonna figure out where you are? But like I know where you are. And then I suddenly spot Poonam and I go running, and then she comes running, and there's so much screaming going on. Oh god.
And people around us, they were like suddenly. So it was like we were screaming, seeing each other, and then there are people who were doing something and they stopped by and they're like, "क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे हुआ क्या?"
True. And I feel even Poonam's mom just judged us for 2 minutes. She was like, neither of the girls are with.
So
Oh God. But guys, let's just take a moment with lots of touch wood.
happened.
How
Yes.
privileged we are to have friends who fly or to see you, to who
Aw.
come to see you. I mean, when I say that if you have gone through like a bad friendship era, you've gone through like a bad social life era, God will bless you with an angel who will teach you what friendship should look like, what are the standards of friendship. Mind it, Poonam is that angel for me. But then when I met her in person, knowing the fact that she came over to my hometown, I was out of words. I was like, this is not just an angel. This is so much more than that.
Sobbing right now. I can't take it. No, but it was crazy. It was one hell of a trip, and I loved every bit of it. Like every bit of it. And for the very first time, I didn't prepare any itinerary and I just went by and Muskan prepared every. So shout out to her actually for giving me such a beautiful itinerary that we covered almost everything and had time for each other.
Yeah.
I think that was the best. And the fact that I usually don't trust people with this travel technicality thing, but here I trusted her like blindly. I was like, if she has done it, I know for a fact this is going to be crazy.
And kudos, because these guys, she and her mom, they were such A1 travelers, the kind of people you'd want to, prepare itinerary for. They were like, okay, we're done with this, we hop here, we're done with this, we hop there. And she's so flexible with the changes in plan, and so on point with, timing, because when you're traveling, time is very important. And the best thing which actually made this like a resonation between the both of us was the fact that neither of us are the kind of people who are like, I'm on a vacation, let me rest. We're like, no, we're on a
Yeah.
vacation, we need to be out and about.
Exactly. I was little cranky about the hotel selection and Muskan knows about it. I was giving a picture that the washroom looks smaller, the room looks smaller. And I quote, my mom and Muskan, they were like, क्या करना है room का? क्या करना है washroom का?
I mean, we do believe in having a good room and a good washroom, but the images of that hotel, the washroom looks pretty big. So, like, I, as a consumer, I'm trusting your menu. Now, the item I choose could be the worst thing or the best thing on your menu, and it's your hotel's responsibility to make it the best. And if you cannot make it best, don't project it like it's the best thing on your SEO and GMB.
That's true. That's one part of it. But the location of that hotel was A1. A1 location. I mean, I thought it all the other places were maybe far away. But when I actually walked, whomever I was asking, where is City Palace? Where is this ghat? Where is this thing? They're like कि अब इतना चल लो आ जाएगा. And legit आ गया. All the thing, I think all the old city thing we have covered were so near to us, so like in the walking distance, I think some meters away, so it was so easy to walk there. And yes, most importantly, sun didn't bother us that much, so touch wood to that. And of course, according to the itinerary, the best itinerary ever, all the places that we have covered almost didn't have any like scorching sunlight thingy happening. So it was a very well planned, well managed trip. And of course, the highlight of the entire trip is me meeting her and
Yeah.
realizing that how tiny I am.
When you meet your friend or someone you know for the first time in person, how do you go about? मुझे आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. My first reaction was, you're so tiny and cute. Like, guys, I swear on this, you have just seen the Barbie version of Poonam. It looks so phenomenal. You wait till you see her in person. So we have done video calls, we have seen each other's pictures, but when I saw her for the first time, I'm like, what in the sharpened features are there? She's so beautiful.
Fair. Let me tell everyone about you, okay? So
ये मुस्कान कितनी
long,
बकचोद है.
this long leg lady, she can definitely give competition to Deepika Padukone. I must tell.
Oh my god.
Okay, I asked the first thing that ये height कहाँ से मिलती है? मुझे भी चाहिए. Because I'm literally obsessed with long ladies. And then there's this Muskan coming up, and she's tall, beautiful, cute, and everything that a girl can possibly be. And I was like कि ये कहाँ से मिलेगा यार? मुझे तो लगता नहीं कि मेरी उम्र निकल गई है कि मुझे height मिले.
शर्मा गई जी.
But yeah, it was so nice. It was so nice. I'm still blushing.
I mean,
But
it was just, if this is like all of the things that we're saying are pretty much on the, you know how Samay says ki there are layers to things. So this is pretty much the first and the second layer.
exactly.
The core layer for me was someone actually, coming to visit me, to visit my town, to look around my town, and then celebrating us being together. I love girlhood so much.
So true. And I started to love that city so much.
Wow.
I mean, I don't think that I have been any place which that coziest, dude. I mean, I had very different version. Me and my mom, we had so different version of Udaipur. So we had like कि बहुत गर्मी होगी. It's near to deserted area and all that. We went and we saw slanted areas.
Yeah, and all she saw was lakes. Lakes.
Exactly. I'm seeing water everywhere. I'm seeing mountains. I went to hiking. I mean, and I told my mom, I was like, I mean, it's done. No, you have seen everything in Udaipur. You have seen land, you have seen water, you have seen mountain, you have seen like normal city life also. What else is left? Nothing.
So Poonam has chosen that
Yeah.
Udaipur can be one of her retirement places.
Yes, guys. I mean, it has taken a spot in my list. I have a list, by the way, and Lucknow was the first thing in there. But yes, after Lucknow, Udaipur has taken a spot. I'd like to retire over there, having a fancy Airbnb, which will give me high return, and of course the Saturday calls, which will give us highest return ever. So yeah, मेरे अंत के दिन बहुत अच्छे कटेंगे.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
I mean, okay, so guys, there's this one thing here in my town. There's this one, let's say, restaurant, not a cafe. It's a restaurant, which is like a special thali situation. It's a huge thali, and then inside of it are mini bowls, like very mini bowls. We call it katoris, ekdam choti choti, and they give like lots of sabjis. They give lots of roti. They give lots of chawal and all. I see my plate. Let's say it takes time to finish that plate, and it's all unlimited. You can just order as much as you want and they'll serve for you. So I see Poonam's mom's plate. She was like, I'm done with this, I'm done with that, this is done, I like this, I like that. I mean, A1 judgment, A1 eating etiquettes, A1 presence. Like, auntie was phenomenal. And then but there's my plate. Okay, I've eaten something, I've left something, but majority things I have done and dusted. And then we see Poonam's plate. She's just eaten rice, just rice. rice. That's it. So they gave two rotis as a naturally. So by default. And out of that, she has calculated a 40-degree cuboid angle and utna pi or radius, whatever that is, she's cut and eaten that. That's it. Of her katosis are full, just one aloo sabji, she's eaten it all.
In my defense, I want to tell you guys, there were I think 9 or 8 katoris as she mentioned. Out of those, I have finished like 5 katoris. What else do you expect from me? And of course, I did ask for more rice. The waiter, he was serving 1 spoon, so I said, "Give me more." I was eating rice more. Then I was like, "Chapatis, I can't have. That's it for me." So I had that and some gatte ki sabzi. I don't like gatte ki sabzi. You guys can come at me. I don't care because I had gatte ki sabzi for the first time in my hostel, and everybody knows hostel food is worst than ever. So there's a no for gatte ki sabzi. Then there was, I think, some other sabzi. No,
Gawar ki sabji, guys. Do you know what is gawar? All my beautiful
ha.
people who know what is gawar. I don't know what gawar is called in English. Let me look up.
So I don't eat that as well. I ate aloo sabzi, right? Some
Yeah.
aloo sabzi. Then I had matar paneer. Then dal. Then there this one very delicious item. It was very new to me. So it was like dahi, but it also tasted like sambar. It was bang on. I loved it.
Guys, she's talking about Rajasthani rab.
Okay.
Gawar is called cluster beans, if that helps any of y'all.
So that I had, and the most important thing को लेकर मुझे इतना सुनाया गया the entire trip. I had amras.
Let's go, guys. Poonam doesn't like mangoes. Okay.
I don't like mango, yet I had amras and I said it's good. It could have been better, but it was good.
That's it for this week, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye.
I have a small appetite, yeah.
You have a small appetite, but you cannot, compensate on mango or mango juice or amras or whatever. You should have seen me, guys. My biggest concern was, shall I have mango amras
Or
pehle?
chas.
Or I should have chaach pehle. I'm so confused. What is the thing I want to have the last taste of until I drive back home?
It was the funniest bit. She's like, shall I have amras first? No, let me have my chas first. No, let me do one thing. I'll have chas first, then little bit of amras. Then I also want the last taste to be amras. What calculation is it?
The only time I calculate. Eventually, I had charge first, and then I had because I wanted that thanda rasila thing to be. Oh God!
But the food was yum. All the food were yum. Although the entire trip has been a vegetarian trip for me.
Yeah.
But it was very good. Very good. My mom had this thali thing for the first time. She had dal bati for the first time. She loved it. You know what? I think on Monday, Tuesday, she was like, I feel like having dal bati again.
My God,
I
so
was
do
like,
I.
why? Oh my God.
Wow.
So I was like, okay, we'll go to Jaipur. Then you can have dal bati because there's no point having dal bati Gurgaon because they'll fuck it up.
Stop! You just reminded me of dal bati in ghee, and then there's lasan ki chutney, and then there's onion, then there's lemon.
Guys, for the first time I had lasan ki chutney, and it is, what do I say? If I can show my face and if I can show my fingers, then I'm doing this clock it thing.
Like it's like a paste made out of garlic and red chilies, like hot red chilies.
Yeah.
So you're just supposed to
Delicious.
have little bit of it with every bite. It's like the Rajasthani replacement for kimchi, but I'm so sorry to say, but far better.
No, kimchi could never.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So this chutney is basically a condiment.
But it was so good. It was so good because that was the first time I had lesson ki chutney. Before that, I only watched reels like those rural reels that used to come up where Haryanvi people are that chutney and then Rajasthani people making that chutney. So I saw those reels. Never had the chance to have in person, but that was my first time in Mount Abu. It was so good.
Oh, by the way, Poonam did also cover a hill station of Rajasthan.
Yes, which was 35 degrees Celsius.
Hill station.
Hill station.
Coming to the trip, Poonam was like, shall I carry like a sweater? I was like, sure. Sure. Yeah. There was this one night I took them to like a rooftop cafe near the lake view, and there was this live music playing. Guste se we had a very wonderful thing. But about that.
That happened. Some eye contact happened.
Oh God, yeah. So that happened. What was I saying? So that happened, and then after that we sat
If
by.
that guy is listening, if you are listening to this pod, you know who you are. We were there on what was the date? It was 10th of April. And what was the restaurant name?
Sun and Moon.
It was Sun and Moon. If you were there playing those songs, you know what we are talking about. You can DM us.
DM us on our business profile, collab with us, and pay us. As simple as that. The only time I'm getting tempted is when I have to choose between buttermilk and mango juice, not
Mango
between
rasa.
not guys and all.
Ras has to be the last one, guys. Please.
What is
It has to be the last taste.
this is a family friendly podcast. Yeah.
Whole lot of trigonometry, geometry she did. I just loved watching that.
You heard that? You know how back in 2016 everybody used to put these kind of captions. It happens cause I'm so the whole point is we sat by this Lakeview cafe. We're having food, and the food was a banger. I didn't expect that place to have this kind of banger main course. Okay, and there was music playing. There were vibes. There was air. I just had to leave a little bit early due to some personal arrangements. But we were sitting by the lakeside, and I told her, "Wow, we're sitting by the lakeside, listening to music. This is such a moment." And then she was
Yeah.
like, "Weren't we on the riverside?" So
Shout out to Riverside.
yeah, Riverside is the platform on which we record the pod. She was like, Riverside, Lakeside, कुछ हो रहा है मुस्कान? And I'm like, God is kind. God has been kind. Let's just be grateful, grounded, and enjoy our South tikha paneer.
And guys, the most funniest thing that has happened on that night is, so we went to this Sun and Moon restaurant, and there this one lift. In that lift, night was written only 3 people allowed. So we were three, and there was bunch of people like waiting outside, and there was a whole like queue situation going on. And our turn came up. We three went, and then there's another family, and they were like, आप भी चले जाओ, आप भी चले जाओ. So Muskan turned like this, like a diva, and they're like, can't you read? There's 3 people written.
इतनी मुंहफट इंसान हूँ ना.
The family over there, they're like, no, it's fine, it's fine. Rules follow करने चाहिए, rules follow करने चाहिए. So they were taunting.
Can you guys think of this? We got shamed because we were following rules.
Follow rules. Now, so we went inside. We chose, I think, 4th floor. So we were confused whether the rooftop will be on 4th or 5th. So we chose 4th. We went to 4th. And then Muskan was like, no, wait, let me check if the rooftop is here or not. In between all this switching, this, that, the lift it came down
And we are
rather
on
than
the
going up.
yeah, and then we're all on the ground floor, and we're meeting this family again. We're seeing them. They're seeing us. We're like, lift चल ही नहीं रहा है. Lift तो सही है. Something's wrong with the lift. What's up with the lift?
And we were like panicking. Oh my god, if we go down, then we're going to see that family again.
And they were also like, अरे ये तो ये वापस आ गए.
It's hilarious. God.
And then if you guys think we landed on the right floor, no, we
No.
landed on the wrong floor again, and then we went by stairs.
The main highlight of the entire trip is me and my mom met her family, and they were the sweetest people, like the sweetest. And ever since we came back, my mom had gone to every other call, and she was like, "Ki, we met her family. They were so kind. They were so nice." And so the thing is, the town that we come from, like my family comes from, over there they had a notion that ki bahar ki duniya is not that good. Okay, so as and when she meets people who are very nice, so they have this thing ki, oh my god, bahar ke log to bahut अच्छे हैं. So she called everyone. First she called my father, then she called my masi, then another friend of hers. She have told everybody that they were so nice, they were so kind. Then they packed all these foods for us.
Wasn't even that much, yeah.
It was, guys, for Khan and her mom. Let me tell you what was there in that bag. There was a bhujia packet, okay, like a big bhujia packet. There was mangoes, that also cut mangoes. Then there were some aloo sabzi. Then there were pulao. then papar, which they made, I think, in your home, no?
Yeah, those are like homemade chips.
Homemade chips, and then there were cutlery also,
Arey, how will you eat?
and tissues also.
How will you wipe your
I
hands?
was like, and then I saw all this. I was like, oh my god, that's like it's a food for 2 days.
Come on, yeah. You're traveling with, you feel hungry anyways. By the way, it's a disclaimer out there. My family is in love with how cute Poonam is. They're like, बहुत प्यारी है ये तो बहुत प्यारी है. She's so cute. She's so humble. She's so good. It's like we just have had known each other over our voices, हमारी बातों में. So like when you meet someone for the first time whom you already have certain perception about, and then you meet them and it sort of matches, not only matches but even amplifies because you're the fantastic Poonam, then everybody is going to have a fan moment.
That's true.
Also, y'all know, I understand where Poonam gets all her bold battiness from. Randomly, Poonam's mom asks us, if 1 kilo mangoes are of this much rupees, how much are the mango for 100 rupees? And we both are doing this math. Poonam has guessed the answer, but she's not confident. She's like, मेरा तो गलत ही होगा तो मैं क्यों ही बोलूं. Just guess the right answer. And बहुत चौड़ में have come with the wrong answer. 12.
Is he only? I remember we came down and we met uncle and he was like, ये कल पैदा हुई है क्या?
Poonam's that tiny, guys. I hate to say it, but she is. She's that cute.
Whenever I think of it, I laugh so loud thinking of his expression because he saw me and Muskan standing beside me and he was like, are you sure? Laughed like crazy.
He's like, are you sure she's elder than you?
Seeing him, I was laughing. Okay, yeah, it's true. You know that video where Kendall Jenner, she started crying saying that I'm not even engaged, I'm not even married. That situation that I'm not even tall.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, uncle offered me some boozy night. I'm gonna have that soon.
So, like 10 on 10 trip, 10 on 10 meetup, 10 on 10
No,
everything.
it's 100 on 10. 100 on 10.
100 on 10. Touch wood do like 1,000 lakhs trips more together.
Yes. We already have many things planned, but
I'm actually clocking right now. I'm gonna touch wood so hard, y'all better hear it. Let me bring my. See?
crazy stuff. And in
So-
all this, our dearest friend from another part of the country.
Another part of the world.
Oh, sorry, another part of the world. She was get the hell out of here.
Last day I posted a story of Poonam. She's packing her stuff and she's looking so cute. I'm like, let me post this. Bye. Hope you've taken good Udaipur air, everything. And then that friend of us, she comments down below, thank God she's leaving. On all of her stories, she's written things like, I hate you guys. Such ew photos. Ew, what is this?
And we were like, no, we love you, na baby. We love you.
Yeah, like a trip with the three of us together very soon. Clocking again.
Gary.
Guys, drink water every time you hear us saying touchwood in this
Touchwood.
episode. You'll be hydrated by the end.
So true. So yeah, we have spoken like half an hour on this.
Yeah. So yeah, talking about the musical night dinner that we had. The another musical thing going around is 1, 2, 3.
Coachella.
We were having dosa, guys, and it was Coachella weekend one, day one. And
Yeah.
we were like, let us judge everybody's outfit from Coachella while we're having our dosachella. I know it's a very niche joke. We'll laugh. Shut up. Don't tell us if it's funny or not.
It is funny if they can do Bieber Chella, Hailey Chella, Sabrina
Sabrina Chella.
Chella, all sort of Chellas, then why can't we do Dosa Chella?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see many outfits to be very honest. I saw the Indian creators and I didn't like any of them.
Seriously, I just hate how they have overdone it. I hate you do
Exactly.
not have to have a stylist for Coachella, and Hailey Bieber was the biggest example out there. Guys, have you seen that Colgate wala double colored toothbrush, pink and yellow? Yes, Haley, yes, queen.
I loved her outfit so much. And the fact that it was so casual. Like it
So
was so
effortless.
casual. Exactly. So casual, so neat. Nothing extra she needed. No feather boots, no hat, nothing. Just Haley being Haley, wearing that pink, yellow dress and rocking every corner of the room. Like
Like silver, white, transparent heels, just clean girl skincare, clean girl makeup, having her
mhm.
sleek sunglasses on. Even guys, come on. Kylie rocked it. And my beautiful Blackpink girls, they were there too and they looked so cool. Like so cool. You could just make out that they are there to have fun.
Fun.
And I'm so sorry for the especially Indian influencers industry. I'm sorry. I love you guys so much, but
But yeah.
इतना ओवर टू नहीं करना होता है. It was looking desperate.
Exactly, that's the correct word actually. It was so desperate. I saw this Kritika, no?
Yeah, the Khurana
Dude,
sisters. Both.
why? Why? You could have worn something simpler. There was like no need. You know the thing is back in 20 the first time I ever had witnessed Coachella and I got to know about it. All the creators from America only.
Hmm.
They were wearing shorts, normal tank tops,
Choke.
then choker, boots, and braided hair. That's it. And
Yeah.
they were looking fab. And I think that was the whole point because this festival is going on for a week, right?
Yeah. Weekend.
And
Two
weekend,
weekends.
2 weekends exactly. And so you are hopping from one stage to another, you are enjoying every moment. You can't go wearing a butterfly corset thingy and just go there for the like it's giving that they have gone there just to click the pictures and come back. That's it.
I mean, I really appreciate the hard work you guys have put in, but
Yeah.
थोड़ा vibe तो समझते बिल्कुल. I because they dress well while here, okay. But you really have to. I mean, Kylie, Haley, Kendall, the Blackpink girls, and even Emma Chamberlain. If you see those people, it seemed as if they were mocking. I mean, I do not say that Kylie went to the Khurana sisters and mocking. No, not at all. I mean,
Vibe.
vibe. Yeah, you could sense from the Instagram that for them it's a break from work, it's a break from the regular
Hmm.
LA life. They're going to go to the Palm Springs. They're gonna go there. They're gonna have the time of their life. They're gonna listen to their favorite artists. They're gonna
Hmm.
vibe and enjoy the music festival for a
Enjoy.
while.
Exactly. It was not a task for them. It was an escape for them. But for our Indian creator, it felt like a big task and it also felt
Over.
very overly done for sure. And what do I say? Desperate attempt to go beyond their capacity, maybe? Or I don't know.
Capacity also, and I would say going too hard to fit in.
Too hard to fit
And
in.
then making it look like I'm the only one girly pop. Everybody is wearing those Hill Road wala stat. Everybody is wearing those Hill Road wala layered necklaces.
Yes. Another thing that I noticed in Coachella is that back in the days, Coachella was used to be that festival where anybody can go.
Yeah.
This year, it felt like a creator chilla.
That's true. That's really true. Yeah, I
So,
mean, you know what I'm trying to say? It felt as if I'm not saying that you could have done better. It's all I'm saying is you could have been less, I'd
hmm,
say, desperate.
yes.
Yeah, or like less.
Less.
Just less. Yeah, less. Full stop.
Exactly. And what are your thoughts, Brent, sending them there?
I appreciate that, no doubt with that. If it's a way of making money for the brands, then why not? I
Hmm.
appreciate that. But since when did Coachella start to become only for celebrities, only for
Hmm.
creators? Since when?
Exactly. That's my point. It wasn't. It was never a celebrity event at all.
Mm.
This year, for sure, it has become a celebrity event and it felt very unachievable, to be very honest. Although I did check the pricing, the ticket pricing, and everything.
2 lakhs, 2 lakhs or something.
Yeah, around that. And I also calculated commute, stay, everything. So it
Mm.
is coming up around, let's say 6-7 lakhs for a person from including everything commute, visa, ticket prices, stay. Food, all that.
Mm.
But the fact that they are going completely sponsored in Emirates and in business class.
Business,
Oh
yeah.
my god, that's a lot.
I mean, I'll be very honest about it. Let's say tomorrow we are given a chance to do this. Would I say no? Not at all.
Not at all.
I would go. That's why I'm not against the idea of brands sending influencers and then promoting their product, using their audience, the entire,
Hmm.
influencer ecosystem thing. That's fine. But it's the influencers and creators who couldn't influence. That's the whole point.
And I mean, we spoke about it also this morning about the Red Bull and Apurva situation. So I had questioned Red Bull, and you know what? Before even telling you, na, yesterday night I think I was thinking about it, and I was like, shall I put it on my LinkedIn, tagging Red Bull? That what is going on? What is your like objective of this campaign?
Yeah,
And
what's up with you, brother?
yeah, so the question actually was that I understand Red Bull sending Apurva to Coachella. All this is fine. But what was the main motive? What was the objective of that campaign? What is the campaign in here? She has just been sent.
What's the two-way benefit for this here?
Exact. And if they're generating good chunk of revenue from that, then of course it's a very good campaign then. But if not, and if it's only for awareness, I think they could have done something better with the opportunity and with the amount of money they have.
Put in, yeah, she was telling that she got makeup, at least makeup worth rupees a lakh. And all of that was Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Exactly. And so yeah, I just don't understand that why. Why? Because the core message of Red Bull was give people wings. That was the tagline, no? I'm
Yeah.
not sure, it might be wrong, but somewhere near that.
Hmm.
So but it never anywhere it was mentioned that we will give only creators wings.
Yeah, and also that's very against Red Bull because if you look at the kind of
Hmm.
contests Red Bull does, the kind of events they do, even in F1, shout
Yeah.
out Max Verstappen. Anyways, so yeah, the kind of things they do, to having them sponsor an artist was a little bit. But also, she did mention that they asked her, what does she want to do? Because we'll give you the wings. And then she asked for a Coachella weekend. So it could be something that, but I still don't understand what's the benefit for Red Bull out of this,
Hmm.
because it somewhere felt like a pre-campaign situation. It felt like a warm-up before they start like a longer partnership. That's what my speculation is.
It could be, but again, I feel they could have done something better because I feel if they would have sent some Aam Janta to Coachella or to anywhere, like what Apurva said, that they have asked, what do you want? And then she chose Coachella. If they choose you and they have given you choice, where do you want to go, what do you want to do, and you have chosen something and they have made sure that you get your wings and you get to do the things that you have mentioned. I think that would have made a greater mark for the entire campaign or marketing of Red Bull, because that's what they rely upon.
Yeah.
And the fact that Red Bull is not that costly also, like I
Hmm.
can purchase Red Bull for $100.
Hmm.
So and then showing, and then not showing, then collaborating with a creator and then sending her all the way to Coachella in business class, have
45
giving,
hour long flight.
yeah, giving the best life she can ever have. It's kind of creating a gap that, this is not achievable. I don't know, I'm still confused.
Yeah, I get it's kind of creating a gap that you should have danced in front of the phone on 2020.
Yes,
Or if danced, in my case, at least should have posted. What are those videos doing in my phone now?
I thought I'll start making vlogs.
So yeah, I think the highlight of Coachella, I know it's not very me to say this, but it was Bieberchella. Like it was
Oh
so
my
cool of
god.
him to just pull out his laptop and connect it with the HDMI and the big screen, and just he's playing memes and he's like, "Arey batao batao tumko kaun sa gana sunna hai?" And he's playing that song. That's what you call making a relation with your audience.
Exactly. And you saw that reel where Katy Perry was like, thank God he had subscription. How iconic.
Yeah, and then imagine the brands that would have been advertised if there was no subscription.
Yeah. So I'm not a Beaver fan at all, but that night he has done something.
He's done something true.
Yeah.
Like the couple out there was making a mark, or I should say,
Exactly.
compensating for the yearly right.
When he sang and he was like, everybody hallelujah, mom and dad hallelujah, Haley babe hallelujah, and she blushed and I was also blushing with her. It's like, oh my god, that's so cute.
Damn. So yeah, Red Bull, give us the wings.
Exactly, Red Bull, you know why we chose to talk about you, right?
Yeah, the place you're giving wings to Apurva is very close to the place we want wings for. Palms.
For now we can also have small wings, it's okay, we are fine with that.
मांग रहे हैं तो समुद्र ही मांग लेते हैं, तब जाकर के बाल्टी
हाँ,
मिलेगी.
ये भी बात सही है.
Yeah, anyways, where you sending these guys for Palm Springs is not very far from the place we want wings for. New York isn't that far.
Yeah, it's very near. What do we
Please.
want? We want just in penthouse.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. With a swimming pool.
That's it.
3 BHK.
That's it. And money to spend on clothes and coffee
Yeah.
and burger and bagel.
Some dollars. That's it.
I want to have the Dobrik's pizza and I want to have the bagel, but still my choice would be kaun sa last mein khao. Amras for the win, guys.
Amras has to be the last one, guys. That's it. That's it for this part.
I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna go have Amras. Damn. Bye.
Everything zero. Amras.
Yeah, I'm tempted. Bye, guys. I'm dropping. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
And who am I? That's one secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.